Hey there everyone, welcome back to Tech Solution Hub. Have you ever been frustrated by slow download speeds? Well, not anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to boost your download speed like a pro using IDM, the Internet Download Manager. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Are you ready to turbocharge your downloads? Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the full version of IDM from our Telegram channel. The download link is provided in the description below. I've already downloaded the IDM premium software. Here it is, Internet Download Manager version 6.42. You will find the password for the installation file in the README file. Copy and paste the password, then extract the file to begin the installation setup. Once the installation is completed, click the Finish button and navigate to the downloaded software folder. Open the Premium File folder and then run the patch file. When the small box appears, click the Crack button to activate the IDM Premium features. Efficiency is everything. And there you go. Now you can boost your download speed. Next, go to your desktop and run the IDM software to complete the setup for Internet Download Manager. To set IDM as your default downloader, go to your favorite web browser, navigate to the Extensions section, and click Manage Extensions. From the list of installed extensions, find the IDM integration module and enable it. If you don't see the IDM integration module, you can add it by clicking Add Extension. Now, whenever you want to download something from your web browser, IDM will automatically detect the file and a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to either download or cancel the download. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.